In this video, we'll explore how to create shortcuts on your iPhone. If you find this guide beneficial, your subscription would be greatly appreciated. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you find this guide helpful. Creating a shortcut on an iPhone allows you to perform multiple tasks with a single tap, enhancing efficiency. It also enables personalized automation, making your device more user-friendly. Now, let's dive into the guide. Start by opening the Shortcuts app. By default, it should be located on the second page of your home screen. However, if you can't find it, search for it in your app list, or if it's deleted, you can download it from the App Store as well. Upon opening the app, ensure Shortcuts is selected in the bottom left. Then, tap on the plus button located at the top right. There are numerous types of shortcuts you can create. For this video, we'll create a shortcut that allows us to change the app icon. Start by tapping on Add Action. A menu with various categories and apps will appear. Search for Open App and select the third option. This action creates a timeline of processes. For this video, we'll only use the Open App process as we're creating a shortcut for another app. Tap on the faint blue box labeled App and choose your desired app. For this video, we'll use the App Store. Navigate to the top where it says Open App. This is where we'll name our shortcut. Tap on it, then tap on Rename. For this video, we'll name it App Store. Once you've finished, press Done. Then, tap on the downwards arrow to the right of App Store and select Add to Home Screen. Below Home Screen Name and Icon, tap on the icon on the left-hand side. You'll see three options: Take Photo, Choose Photo, and Choose Files. At this point, we need to select a photo or an icon. Open a web browser, Safari for example, and search for the icon you want, and save it to your camera roll. Now return to the Shortcuts app. Tap on the current app icon on the left-hand side and select Choose Photo. Your camera roll will open. Select the icon we just saved by tapping on it. Tap on Choose in the bottom right. Finally, go to the top right and press Add. We've now added the app to our home screen. As you can see, the App Store shortcut is now visible. Drag it onto your home screen, and there you have it. We've created a shortcut for the App Store. In case you want to hide the App Store, hold it, press Remove App, and hide it. It's still accessible via the app library or a new shortcut. To restore it, find it in the app library, hold it, and tap Add to Home Screen. You can delete the shortcut if needed. That's all. If you have any doubts, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials and resources like this. You can also find us at MediaMagnetGuide.com.